Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you're planning to design your kitchen and want it to look expensive without breaking the bank, you are in the right place. Today, we are sharing some clever ways that will make your kitchen look expensive and high-end even on a budget. Let's get started. Our first hack is all about lighting. Swap the outdated fixtures for modern pendant lights. These can instantly transform your kitchen's ambience. Choose fixtures that complement your kitchen style and color scheme. You can go for integrated lighting too under the cabinets, as it instantly upscales the whole look. Apart from these, adding sensor lights inside the glass cabinets or drawers also helps a lot in achieving that expensive look. Marble and granite are the cheaper and more durable options, but they are the oldest options too. And a little extra expenditure and you can get countertops made from nano white or Korean. These are the modern day alternatives and provide a very luxurious look. These are all one-time investments, so it's advisable to look for all the options before finalizing a particular material. Cabinet shutters are the soul when it comes to kitchen visuals. Look at various options before you finalize the color, finish, handles, etc. Cabinet shutters come in a variety of finishes like PU, acrylic, wood, etc. Now keep in mind the backsplash and countertop color when choosing your cabinet. Apart from the outward appearance, like the shutter design and the color, make sure that you have the upper cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling. A gap between the top of the cabinet and the ceiling doesn't just make it look bad, but also collects a lot of dust. A beautiful backsplash can instantly upscale your kitchen. Consider classic subway tiles, elegant mosaic patterns, or even a mirrored backsplash to reflect light and make the space appear larger. If you choose to have the same granite on the backsplash as you have on the countertop, it makes it very expensive and even the final look is not very good. It's quite monotone and boring. On the other hand, if you choose tiles for the backsplash, then you not only get a multitude of options, but it looks very good. Not just this, the price for tiles will be 1/3 compared to granite. Another biggest reason to go for tiles is the number of options that you get. Like if you have 50 options in granite, then you might get 500 in tiles. So choose wisely. Countertop essentials are things that are always on your countertop. It could be an oil dispenser or even a spice rack. Make sure you have stylish countertop essentials to elevate the look of your kitchen. This means that you need to get rid of colorful packages near your sink or that bright colored oil dispenser or something similar. You can find tons of economical options on sites like Amazon that will match your kitchen aesthetics. Last but definitely not the least, embrace minimalism and declutter. Less is often more when it comes to creating an expensive look. Keep your countertops clear of unnecessary items and opt for sleek, well-organized storage solutions. You can choose ledges, rail bars, and even pot racks for organized storage of pans, pots, etc. These look very modern and you can easily get them online. Please remember, an expensive-looking kitchen is always tidy. There you have it. Some simple yet effective ways to make your kitchen look expensive without draining your wallet. Take your time to look at all the options, talk to experts, and then finalize things. We hope this video helps you in designing your dream kitchen. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Do share it with someone who might find it useful. See you next week. Goodbye.